The European Accessibility Act is approaching. Learn how to verify your website's compliance with just a few clicks using Agent WordLift. What is happening? Starting June 28, 2025, the European Accessibility Act takes effect across the EU. It's not optional. Non-compliance can mean legal consequences and lost customers. If you manage a website, e-commerce store, mobile app, or publish digital content, this law applies to you. Accessibility is no longer a nice-to-have. It's a legal requirement. An easy way to check if your website is compliant is running an audit with Agent WordLift. Use the AI assistant you already trust, such as Copilot, Gemini, Claude, and let Agent WordLift do the heavy lifting. Thanks to the Model Context Protocol, your AI handles the conversation, while Agent WordLift works behind the scenes as your expert SEO and accessibility auditor. Just type a simple prompt. Help me review the accessibility of page your URL, or ask specifically for a review based on the European Accessibility Act. Agent WordLift scans your page for accessibility and SEO issues, checking alt text, semantic HTML, color contrast, and more. You'll get instant insights, plus a downloadable report with clear, actionable recommendations. Meet the new accessibility standards, improve usability for everyone, and boost your SEO in the process. June 28th is around the corner. Are you ready? Run your first accessibility SEO audit today with Agent WordLift and the AI you already use.